Drinking too much alcohol.
You don't look so good. What happened?
I got drunk last night, but it's my own fault. If I hadn't drunk so much alcohol, I wouldn't have been sick in the toilet.
Yeah, you were drinking like there was no tomorrow.
I know. I wish I hadn't drunk so much alcohol.
Maybe next time pace yourself.
Yeah, no more shots for me.
Eating too much chocolate.
Are you okay? You look like you're about to be sick.
I ate way too much chocolate and now I feel awful. If I hadn't eaten so much chocolate, I wouldn't have vomited in the toilet.
Oh man, did you eat the whole box?
Yeah, I wish I hadn't eaten so much chocolate.
Well, now you know your limit.
Next time, I'll stop after the first few pieces.
Robbing a bank.
So, how did you end up in prison?
I made a stupid mistake. If I hadn't robbed the bank, I wouldn't have gone to prison.
Seriously, what were you thinking?
I don't know. I wish I hadn't robbed a bank.
Well, now you've got plenty of time to think about it.
Yeah, too much time.
Kissing another woman.
Why do you look so down?
I messed up big time. My wife left me and it's all my fault. If I hadn't kissed another woman, she wouldn't have left me.
What, you actually did that?
Yeah, I wish I hadn't kissed another woman.
Well, that's not something you can take back now.
I know. I should have been smarter.
Cheating on your wife.
So, where are you staying now?
Nowhere. My wife threw me out of the house, and I can't even blame her. If I hadn't cheated on my wife with another woman, she wouldn't have thrown me out.
Wow, you really messed up.
I know. I wish I hadn't cheated on her.
Is there any chance she'll forgive you?
I doubt it. I think I lost her for good.
Having an affair.
You look miserable. What's going on?
My wife divorced me, and I have no one to blame but myself. If I hadn't had an affair with another woman, my wife wouldn't have divorced me.
Wow, that's rough. Did she find out?
Yeah, and she didn't even hesitate to leave. I wish I hadn't had an affair with another woman.
I guess some mistakes are too big to fix.
I learned that the hard way.
Flight delay.
You missed the start of the meeting. What happened?
My flight was delayed, and it completely messed up my schedule. If my flight hadn't been delayed, I wouldn't have arrived late for the meeting.
That's unlucky. Was it weather-related?
No, just some technical issue. I wish my flight hadn't been delayed.
Well, at least they didn't cancel it entirely.
True, but I hate being late for important things.
Eating too much junk food.
You've been working hard at the gym lately. What's the motivation?
Honestly, I regret my old habits. If I hadn't eaten so much junk food when I was young, I wouldn't have become so fat and obese.
Yeah, bad eating habits are hard to break.
Tell me about it. I wish I hadn't eaten so much junk food when I was young.
At least you're doing something about it now.
Yeah, better late than never.
House destroyed by a tornado.
I heard about your house. That's terrible.
Yeah, it's completely gone. If there hadn't been a tornado, my house wouldn't have been destroyed.
I can't even imagine what that must feel like.
It's devastating. I wish there hadn't been a tornado.
Are you planning to rebuild?
I'll have to, but it won't be easy.
Meeting my future wife.
You and your wife seem so happy together. How did you meet?
Funny enough, it all started with a simple hello. If I hadn't said hello to my girlfriend, we would never have got engaged and married.
That's crazy. Just one moment changed everything.
Yeah, I wish I hadn't said hello to my girlfriend. Then I'd still be single and stress-free.
Haha, so no regrets?
Nah, I wouldn't trade her for anything.